Monounsaturated fats are a type of dietary fat known for their heart-healthy properties. Unlike saturated fats, which are typically solid at room temperature, monounsaturated fats are usually liquid and are found in a variety of plant-based oils, nuts, seeds, and other foods. Incorporating foods high in monounsaturated fats into your diet can have significant benefits for your health, including improved cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, and better blood sugar control. Let's explore 10 foods that are rich in monounsaturated fats and how they contribute to overall health. Avocados are one of the most well-known sources of monounsaturated fats. A single avocado contains a substantial amount of these healthy fats, along with fiber, vitamins, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be used in many dishes. They can be sliced and added to salads, mashed into guacamole, or blended into smoothies to create a creamy texture. Their rich fat content makes them satisfying, which can help curb hunger and support weight management. Olives are another excellent source of monounsaturated fats, particularly when consumed as olive oil. Olives themselves, whether black or green, are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, including vitamin E. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and has been associated with reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Drizzling olive oil over salads, using it as a base for dressings, or incorporating it into sauté dishes is a simple way to increase your intake of monounsaturated fats. For maximum health benefits, opt for cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, which retains more nutrients and antioxidants. Nuts such as almonds, cashews, and hazelnuts are packed with monounsaturated fats and make for an easy, nutrient-dense snack. Almonds, in particular, are known for their heart protective properties due to their high content of monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and fiber. Cashews and hazelnuts are similarly nutritious and provide essential minerals like magnesium and copper. These nuts can be eaten on their own, mixed into trail mixes, or used as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Nut butters made from almonds, cashews, or hazelnuts are another convenient way to incorporate monounsaturated fats into your diet. Just be sure to choose natural nut butters without added sugars or hydrogenated oils. Peanuts, though technically legumes, are also a great source of monounsaturated fats. Peanut butter, especially the natural kind, is a popular choice for spreading on whole grain bread, pairing with fruits like apples or bananas, or blending into smoothies. Peanuts and peanut butter are also rich in protein, making them a satisfying and energy-boosting food choice. Including peanuts in your diet can help improve cholesterol levels and support heart health when consumed in moderation. Macadamia nuts are another standout source of monounsaturated fats. In fact, macadamia nuts contain one of the highest concentrations of monounsaturated fats among all nuts. These creamy, buttery nuts are not only delicious, but also provide important nutrients like manganese and thiamine. Macadamia nuts can be eaten as a snack, used as a topping for desserts, or incorporated into baked goods. Their rich flavor makes them a luxurious addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Canola oil is a cooking oil with a high concentration of monounsaturated fats. It has a neutral flavor, making it a versatile option for a variety of culinary applications, from frying to baking. While not as nutrient-dense as olive oil, canola oil still provides a heart-healthy fat profile and can be a convenient alternative in recipes that require a mild-flavored oil. Opt for cold-pressed or minimally processed canola oil to retain more of its natural nutrients. Sunflower oil, specifically high oleic sunflower oil, is another excellent source of monounsaturated fats. High oleic sunflower oil is bred to contain higher levels of these healthy fats compared to standard sunflower oil. This makes it a healthier choice for cooking, as it has a high smoke point and remains stable at high temperatures. Sunflower oil can be used for roasting vegetables, sautéing, or frying, providing a healthier alternative to oils high in saturated fats. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Dark chocolate is a surprising yet delightful source of monounsaturated fats. High-quality dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, contains monounsaturated fats from the cocoa butter. In addition to its fat content, dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been linked to improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate as a treat can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing some health benefits. Pair it with nuts or fresh fruit for a nutrient-packed snack. Sesame oil is a flavorful oil with a significant amount of monounsaturated fats. It is commonly used in Asian, Middle Eastern, and Indian cuisines, where its nutty flavor enhances a variety of dishes. Sesame oil can be used as a base for stir-fries, drizzled over steamed vegetables, or incorporated into salad dressings. Toasted sesame oil, in particular, has a rich flavor that adds depth to dishes, making it a valuable addition to your pantry. Incorporating foods rich in monounsaturated fats into your daily diet can be both simple and delicious. These healthy fats not only improve heart health by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, and raising HDL, good cholesterol, but also play a role in reducing inflammation and supporting overall well-being. When selecting oils, nuts, and other sources of monounsaturated fats, opt for minimally processed and natural options to maximize their health benefits. With their versatility and wide range of flavors, these foods can be easily integrated into meals and snacks, making it easier to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. The benefits of monounsaturated fats extend beyond heart health. Research suggests that these fats may also play a role in improving insulin sensitivity and supporting blood sugar control, making them particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Additionally, monounsaturated fats have been linked to reduced risk of certain chronic diseases, including metabolic syndrome and some types of cancer. They also contribute to skin health, as healthy fats are essential for maintaining the skin's moisture barrier and protecting against oxidative damage. One of the key advantages of monounsaturated fats is their ability to replace less healthy fats in the diet. For example, using olive oil instead of butter or margarine can significantly improve the fat profile of a meal. Similarly, snacking on nuts instead of processed chips or crackers can provide a nutrient boost along with healthier fats. By making small changes like these, you can increase your intake of monounsaturated fats while reducing your consumption of trans fats and saturated fats, which are associated with negative health outcomes. Overall, monounsaturated fats are an essential component of a healthy diet. Foods like avocados, olives, nuts, seeds, and high-quality oils provide a wealth of nutrients and health benefits, making them valuable additions to your meals. By incorporating these foods into your daily routine, you can enjoy their delicious flavors while supporting your heart, brain, and overall health. With their versatility and nutritional benefits, monounsaturated fats truly deserve a prominent place in a balanced and health-conscious diet. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.